What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Honor smartphone won't send text messages. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the messages issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue while sending or receiving the text messages, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this apps option again and then scroll down and here click on messages. Now go to the storage of messages app and after that clear the app cache memory. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache and the cache memory of the messages app will be cleared. And after doing this, the messages issue will be fixed. But after clearing the cache memory of messages app, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is try updating your phone software. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on system and updates. Now in system and updates, click on software update and from here check if your phone is updated to the latest version of the software or not. So if your mobile software is not up to date, then update the software, and after updating the mobile software the text message issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Honor smartphone if it's not sending the text messages. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.